Hello everyone, to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Peacock TV how to download. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to download episodes or movie on your Peacock TV offline, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Peacock TV application. Then if you are not signed in, simply sign into your account, and then next is to make sure you have a premium plan, as downloading is only available on Peacock Premium or Peacock Premium Plus. You cannot download on the free plan. So once you are in the premium plan, all you gotta do is scroll and then find the content you want to download. And then once that's done, you'll find the option download right here. All you gotta do is just simply tap on that, and then the downloading process will begin. Now what you need to do is wait for the download to finish, and you will see the progress circle, and once completed, the arrow will change to check mark. Now in order to watch offline, simply head over back to your home screen of the Peacock TV, and on the bottom you'll find the download option right here. Simply tap on that, and now the downloads or the downloaded content will be available right here, and you can just simply tap on it and play it offline as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.